LOL. The hadedas are freaking Pharrell Williams out. No one warned Pharrell Williams about one of the many natural alarm clocks that Mzansi has, so when he was introduced to the hadedas he was completely shook. Pharrell jetted into Mzansi for the Global Citizen Festival on Sunday where he gave a rocking performance. Hadedas, just like chickens and roosters, are famous for making sure the other kids don't sleep in peace, and once they start calling out, they take their time to stop. And, unfortunately for Pharrell, the hadedas don't care if you are an award-winning US musician. So when the happy hitmaker had the pleasure of meeting these wonderful birds, the happy hitmaker didn't understand what was going on, and it resulted in a hilarious series of videos. What the FK is that? What the FK is that, bro? Pharrell asked. Shem guys, he genuinely looks traumatized. Next time, in addition to the booklet about the Big Five, let's also include a birds booklet.